Heatwave advisories were issued in parts of the nation today, but the heat is expected to ease with the upcoming rain this week.
Let's get more from our Michelle Park at the Weather Center. Michelle.
Now, the heat wave advisories were issued across the country today, now especially in the western regions, including the capital. Now, on Tuesday, the weather is expected to stay hot under sunny skies in Seoul, whereas Jeju and the southern provinces are expecting rain into the afternoon. The neighboring countries can also expect steady rain with very cool readings in the 20s for Beijing. Now, tomorrow's rain will spread across Korea from Wednesday through Thursday, bringing up to 80 millimeters of heavy rain, especially along the south coastal areas. Now, after the rain, the heat should ease, allowing us to have cooler air in the mornings and the evenings. And the daytime highs will also fall below 30 degrees mark. And until then, here's how the temperatures look. Seoul will wake up to 22 degrees Celsius tomorrow, while Daegu and Busan hits up to 24, and Jeju still experiencing tropical nights, waking up at 25 degrees. Now, the heat wave will continue to bring scorching weather, with Seoul hitting up to 33 degrees, and it will be cooler for Gyeongju, reaching up to 28, and Busan to 29 degrees. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.